What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll give you a quick overview of the Paychex payroll management platform and its different features. Paychex is a platform that allows you to manage the payroll of your employees, their work time, their statuses, and so much more. So let's get right to it. First, you must go to their website, that's paychex.com, and make sure before you sign up or start using or decide to use this platform is that it's available in your country, since they are not available worldwide. So here, as you can see, you'll land on their homepage right here, where you'll see here they use simple approach to manage your payrolls for HR or human resources for your company and benefits. Now, if you want to see their pricing, you cannot see it right away or click on a link to open a pricing page. However, you should click here on request pricing. You should enter some details here for your company. Let's say company name, how to simple. The number of my employees, let's say 5 employees. And here I need to enter my first name, my last name, email, and phone number. And I can check the contact by text, so they can text me instead of calling, and they will contact me, the sales team will contact me and give me their pricing. And their sales team will contact me, providing me with details regarding the pricing. Now let's go back to the home screen here. Now if we scroll down, you can see some features and benefits of the platforms and some tools it can provide you. Here they tell you that it's a one platform for all HR and payroll tasks here, like payroll services. Of course, you can manage the payroll for your employees here for any type of business or any size of business. It has some tools to hire or manage your current employees, or if you want to hire some employees, it can help you manage or assess newcomers. They can manage the time and attendance of your employees to maximize your accuracy of the payroll, so that you can know each employee's the like on and off time for each employee here, their attendance, to know exactly how to process their payments. They also have some employees benefits and full service HRPO. Now here they have solutions for any type or size of business. Even if you don't have business, if you are self-employed in a company, they can provide solutions for better manage your times and to maximize your salary and saving for retirement. And here you can see some self-employed solutions. If you click on this link here, you can see here some solutions or some tools they can help you or can provide you if you are a self-employed person. You can get here a free quote if you want to, and you can read more about this type of business and how they can help you for your startup service, saving for a retirement plan, and integrated payroll service for your company. And you can learn more about each of the services right here, as well as help you saving or help you managing your taxes and more. Now let's go back. And if you're a small company, meaning 1 to 19 employees, here you are a small business. To them, they rank you as a small business, and you can view some solutions provided for a small business. Of course, based on your size of your business, you can get a free quote here. So here you can they can help you manage payroll for your employees. They can provide you with a mobile app so that you can track their employees. So each of the employees will download the app here and stay connected with your team or the HR team. Automated payroll taxes, as well as 24/7 support. Now you can accomplish more here with time and attendance, employee benefits, and more. And you can read more about the benefits here and the tasks that can help you accomplish, as well as some popular platform they integrate with. Now here you can see here some recommendations as well as some statistics and more. Now here let's go back again, and it's the same for mid-sized business solutions for companies between 20 and 49 employees, as well as enterprise businesses, that's companies with more than 50 or up to 100 plus or 1,000 plus employees. So if you click on Enterprise Solutions, for example, you get the same idea. You get some of the benefits that are associated with like managing a company of this size. Some of it include HR and proactive advice, integrated HR and payroll, paycheck review, US-based support, payroll and HR compliance, single employee record, and so much more. Now, if you click here on request a free quote, you will go through the same form here, entering your company name, number of employees, and then entering some information about your country to request the quote, and their like sales team will be contacting you, as I told you before. Now, if you go back here and you try to log in, you see that you have two different services, the Paycheck Flex and Paycheck Oasis. Now, Paycheck Flex is the most popular platform that includes all of their tools, such as managing payroll, time and attendance for your employees, or for new candidates that wanna apply for your businesses here. And as an employee, you get here, you can go Paychex Go, and other tools as well here. So you have many options. As a business owner or an admin, you have many options as well, such as Paychex Go and others. As an accounting professional, you can choose the tools that they offer you. As a financial advisor, you have the e-plan services, and as a broker, you have a flock benefits administration. So here you can go ahead and sign in or log in if you already have an account with each of the platform. Now, Paychex Oasis is for administrators and employees here to manage all things HR, including payroll, benefits, and more. So if you want to sign in for a bigger plan, you need to Paychex Flex here. If you click on login, you can go ahead and log in with your username and password, or you can sign up here with Paychex Flex to create your account. And the sign up process includes here entering your first name, your last name, immediately your middle name if you want to, social security number, and date of birth, address, city, and basically all your details to be able to get them to know you better, and then sign up here to create your account. Now, if we go back here to the Paychex home screen, and here you can view here their solutions, their payroll, for example, their services for any type of task here. Let's say their payroll services, for example, for small business, mid-sized business, and you can compare payroll packages, switch payroll company, payroll tax services. So let's learn more about their payroll services for small business companies. And here you can read more about their plans for a small business company as managing payroll goes. So here you can choose the payroll Paychex Flex Select, the Paychex Flex Pro, and the Paychex Flex Enterprise tool, and you can here get to watch a video to learn more about each of the plans. And you can learn more about how the Paychex Flex works here as with payroll management here. So you can run your payroll quickly and easily, access critical reports, so you give you reports and insights about how your business or your payroll is going. You can access the resource center, and you can view a accurate employee information here regarding their payroll, their activity, their off times, and so much more. And you can learn more about each of their solutions here for employee benefits, HR services, time and attendance. So let's check time clocks, for example. And here you can get flexible time clock software here to manage the attendance time. So they're when they come, when they leave the work, to better calculate their payroll here or calculate their off and on time. You get here automatic calculations and automatic management for all this, as here you can see their tools. So they offer you hardware devices in order to accomplish this, and also the software to accompany it. So that was like a quick overview of the Paychex payroll and HR management software and its different features and benefits for your company.